Alright guys, giving you all an update on the farm equipment. Here's Green Wing. She's seen better days. Something's up with the starter. Yet to get that fixed. Unfortunately, ain't done much work on Covey. Been so busy lately, ain't had the time or the money to really get any headway on her. But also, in my update video from yesterday, I mentioned that there was a reason big buck's outside now, and the reason for that is got a new mower. We done got this mower this summer. Cadet Pro Z500, 60-inch deck, adjustable seat, dual fuel tanks, 27 horse Kawasaki engine. Thing's a beast. She's nice. And for her size, she really don't burn that much fuel, and it drastically cut the time it takes for us to cut the grass around here, particularly this big field. But I'll go ahead and start her up for you. Got to set this down real quick. She's real quiet too. Yeah, she's nice. I would take her for a spin for y'all, but holding on to these handles with a phone in one hand is easier said than done. But yeah, not much else has changed in here except that it's gotten a lot messier. Hopefully that's going to change soon. And one thing I done forgot to mention in my update video from yesterday was not only did I get the OBS running again, also upgraded her exhaust system. Get under here. She's running a Flowmaster Super 44 out to 4-inch tips. And she sounds pretty good. I'll go ahead and fire her up for y'all. Down, buddy. Down. Good boy. ready to go, ain't you? Bigger here. Yep, he's ready to ride. Good boy. She ain't quite as loud as I was hoping for, but she's still got a nice exhaust note, especially going down the road. There she goes, she just warmed up. High five. High five. Burger. High five. Yeah, good boy. Down. Down. I'll rev her up a couple times. Down. No. No. Down. Hold down this button so she'll quit beeping. So yeah, sounds pretty good, and plus the old exhaust system was shot anyway, so better get her something that will give her a better exhaust note, and especially going down the road, she has real mellow note to her. Sometime I might do a driving video with her. But anyway, so this is why Big Buck is, we've got to keep her outside for now, but here soon we're probably going to switch her out with Big Buck because Big Buck runs better. And plus she's getting up there in hours. So, but anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video, and more videos to come soon, hopefully. Be sure to subscribe if you ain't already, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.